So let's talk about setting up your campfire when you get to your campsite. It's something that a lot of people forget to do. They get excited and they build a fire and off they go. But something that I like to do at each site that I stay at is to rebuild the fire pit in a way that is more functional, in a way that cleans it up. And so let me show you what that looks like. So this was a mess when I got here. It was really kind of all over the place, stones kind of strewn about. So what I did was I moved everything away and I rebuilt it for a couple purposes. So one is to protect it from the rain and the wind. So in the forecast tomorrow is heavy rain, and I'd still like to have a fire. I mean, there's not much else to do but sit around camp. And so what I've done is structure this with a bit of a roof to cover some of the fire, but still allow enough airflow so I can tuck some of the fire back there and it should be sheltered from the rain. I've also made sure that the side walls are tall and can protect against wind. And then I created this section here for cooking. So I find it just saves you fuel. If you're already going to have a fire anyway, then you might as well cook on the fire. I like to use and bring a titanium grate that I can cook with. Some sites come with one. I mean, this one's not great, but when you set this up this way, you can kind of pull the coals in using a stick or whatever you have, and then you're able to cook on it. So the fire is all ready to enjoy, and this configuration should serve me well no matter what the weather holds.